In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with SharePoint using a tool called Zapier. This integration helps automate processes by syncing data between these platforms, making your work life a bit more seamless. We'll walk through a typical flow where, when a new item is created in Monday.com, you can automatically create a folder, a list item, or even upload a file in SharePoint. So let's dive into the steps to set this up. First, you'll need to sign in to your Zapier account. If you don't have one, it's easy to create on Zapier's website. Once you're logged in, you want to look for the option to create Zap. This is essentially where you'll set up your integration. Now you'll set up the trigger, which defines what starts the automation. In this case, the trigger app will be Monday.com. You'll need to select the event that you want Zapier to watch for example, new item in board. This event is what will trigger the automation whenever it happens. You might need to connect your Monday.com account to Zapier, and this is where an API key can be handy. Zapier will guide you on how to retrieve this from your Monday.com account if needed. After connecting, you'll need to specify which board or group you want Zapier to monitor for new items. Once the trigger is set, it's time to configure the action. Here, you'll choose Microsoft SharePoint as your action app. In SharePoint, you can decide what action you'd like to take, such as creating a folder, adding a list item, or uploading a file to a folder. This action is what Zapier will do on SharePoint in response to your trigger event from Monday.com. Similarly to connecting Monday.com, you'll need to connect your SharePoint account. Zapier will walk you through this process, making sure your accounts are linked securely. Now comes the mapping stage, where you determine how the data from Monday.com will translate into SharePoint. For instance, you might map an item name from Monday.com to become the folder name in SharePoint. This mapping ensures that the correct data from your triggers flows smoothly into your chosen action. Before wrapping up, it's crucial to test your Zap. Zapier allows you to run tests using sample data to ensure everything works as expected. If everything looks good after testing, you can now turn on your Zap. This will officially activate the automation, and your setup is complete. Congratulations, you've just set up an efficient integration between Monday.com and SharePoint. This process should help streamline your tasks and reduce the manual effort needed to keep your data in sync across platforms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more ways Zapier can automate